Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're gonna unbox a nice thing that we have in here. Let's see. It's about TONOR TC-777 USB condenser microphone. I guess it's a nice one. Let's see what's inside the box. Well, as every electronic product has an instruction manual, this has also. It's a manual that you have to study before you engage in open the box, after you open the box of course, and see what's inside. How can you install the microphone into a computer, into a laptop, or anything else. Of course, available information about this product you find in here, in instruction manual of this microphone. Let's see what's inside the box. We have a nice windshield, very useful to every microphone, yes. And we have another type of windshield that we have to put it directly on the microphone. Yes, very useful this also when we are outside, for example. We use this outside and there's a windy or noisy situation. It's very useful. Thank you. And here we have the product that comes already installed on its stand, like this. This is the microphone, TONOR TC-777. And now, let's put the box aside on the printer and try to install this. It's very, very simple. It has some strings attached in here, if you see. You have to put it like this so it can be very still. Now, we do it like this. Okay, and we have a microphone. It's this balances will be noise free because of these strings. Let's unfold the tripod. Here we have a nice microphone. Let's untie the cable and try to connect it to the phone that we are filming. A minus for this microphone is that it doesn't have any other connection than this USB. You have to buy a converter in anything you want to use. This is only for computer or laptop. So I have bought something like this, yes, which is not contained in the package, and we try it for the first time, and we try to connect it to the phone on this side. Oops. And see what we hear. Hello, this is the power of TONOR TC-777. Oh yeah. Let's install also the windshield. It's very easy and very useful to protect the sound by the noises apart from your voice. And something like this. Well, we should have a microphone, a very useful microphone. This is TONOR TC-777. Voila!